Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ryan Leary from recruitingblogs.com. And so, some of you may have seen this, some of you may have not. It is the new LinkedIn Contact Center. So, I want to run you through a couple of the new features and some of the old features that have been imported into this section, and some of the things that I find valuable, maybe not so valuable. So you're looking at here on the left side all of your filters that you had access to before. They're just now in a new place. And then in the center you have all of your contacts and your synced accounts and things like that. Some of you are probably wondering, why is Expedia connected to your LinkedIn account for a 24-hour sale? That's not spam. What I did was I took advantage of the ability to connect or sync some of my accounts. You can see Gmail, Yahoo, LinkedIn, etc. To my LinkedIn account, and you can do that simply by clicking the little settings tab here so that you can go ahead and do that. The problem to me is that it just kind of junks up my LinkedIn inbox with unnecessary information, so I'm not quite sure the value there yet. The real value to me is over on the left side, all of your filters that you're using. Okay, your tags, your companies, your titles, locations, etc. The fundamentals of using these filters have not changed. You should be tagging your contacts appropriately. Tagging them takes the place of putting them into a folder. So, senior financial analyst, instead of creating a folder for senior financial analyst, you're going to tag them senior financial analyst, and maybe with your client company or something to that effect. Those are going to be in your main contact index, and you'll be able to pull them out simply by going to your tag and choosing senior financial analyst. In this case, I'll just choose Maryland, WAN engineers, Maryland. Okay, and then here's all the people. I have 16 that are actually tagged that meet the requirement for that search. Now, I physically went and tagged these people through other searches that I've done in the past. They're not just tagged through LinkedIn. This is all done by your work. Companies. This is a good filter, and same filter kind of as last time, but they've added some features, and that's that they now give you the number of connections you have in that company in your profile based on that filter. To dig deeper, you can actually click here on the person and select company and search the company. Okay, locations and titles, the same thing. Now if I click on titles, you'll see here that the titles are going to pop up momentarily. I'm doing everything here real time. So that we can see actually the speed of the indexing, and I think that's important that I'm not editing that out, so that you can actually see how quickly it's indexing and pulling this information. Okay, you can see here there's just the variations of the titles that I have, and locations, and now sources. Sources are important. Why is that? Well, if I'm syncing my Gmail, syncing my Yahoo, and all of these other accounts, I really want to know where these people are coming from, because I'm a fan of not spamming people. And I don't want to send the same message to my Gmail people as I do to my LinkedIn people or my Facebook people, and so on. Now, in another video, I'm going to click back here on settings to show you something. You're not going to see Facebook here. Okay? They don't, right now at least, and I don't know in the future if they will, they do not allow you to sync your Facebook account with your LinkedIn account. Don't know that I'd ever would see them doing that, or if they should do that, because Facebook has a different foundation for connecting and purpose for networking than LinkedIn, and that would really go against the core values of LinkedIn for business networking. So we'll see how that plays out. However, if you want to do that, it is not a hard task to do, and below this video somewhere you should find a link to import your Facebook connections and sync that to your LinkedIn account. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really very, very simple. In essence, all you're going to do is open up a Yahoo account, import or sync your Yahoo account with your Facebook account, and then you're able to sync your LinkedIn account with your Yahoo account. And now all of those contacts filter over. So you kind of work around or bypass that part of the system. So let's go back into the contact page here. Now, hidden profiles, the last area I want to talk about. Why do I have 946 hidden profiles? Here's the deal. LinkedIn is building what they call a smart search engine. And I got a couple of concerns there. Number one, I don't like people making a decision for me and telling me who and who is not valuable for me to see, and what information based off what I'm searching is valuable for me to see. Because yesterday I might have been looking up weight loss products, or I might be looking up workout routines. Today I might want to search a software engineer, but that doesn't mean I'm not interested in workout routines or weight loss products. So I don't want an algorithm making that decision for me. LinkedIn has taken the liberty of saying these 946 profiles are not going to be important to you, and so we're going to hide them from your network or from your profile. Now, here's one caveat. These 946 profiles are not hidden from your search. So even if they remain hidden from my view, they're not going to remain hidden from my search. So if I go into the search box here and I type in Eric or Antonio, they're going to show up in my search results. I'm not going to have the ability to see them until I actually search that out, or their profile meets a search requirement that I have. So I'm not a big fan of that, because I like to see who's in my network and I like to kind of just browse around sometime. So how do you get rid of it? Go into your hidden tab, simply select all, and then under more, click unhide. Once you do that, it'll work and everything becomes unhidden. Okay, so now here's the problem, is it only selects the number of people on that specific page. So you're gonna have to keep going down and down and down and down until it actually opens up. Now, it will open up itself, but you notice it takes a little bit for that to happen. You see the little twirly going around there. If you don't do this, it's not going to select them all. You noticed I had 900 and whatever that 46 before, it only did 20. Oh, now if I do unhide, so it only took 20 away the first time, and now this time it took away a couple hundred. So that's the trick. Don't get caught up in that, and unhide your profiles there. There's no reason why this senior recruiter wouldn't want to see, or a branch manager at Robert Half, which is a recruiting firm, I wouldn't want to see. So it's really not smart. Okay, I would unhide those profiles as well. So there you have it. It's the new contact center for LinkedIn. Let us know your thoughts.